In this video, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Mazda CX-90, a three-row SUV that's redefining premium in the mainstream market. Mazda continues its push toward luxury refinement, and the CX-90 is its boldest statement yet. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 CX-90 carries forward Mazda's Kodo design language but with more assertiveness and presence. The long hood, sleek roofline, and wide stance give it an upscale silhouette that rivals European competitors. The chrome accents are subtle but effective, especially around the grille and window frames. LED lighting comes standard, and the front end features a redesigned signature wing grille that integrates beautifully with the adaptive headlights. Optional 21-inch alloy wheels and deep metallic paint choices like Artisan Red give the CX-90 a sophisticated yet sporty look. Inside, the 2026 CX-90 is all about craftsmanship and comfort. Materials have been upgraded across the board. Expect Nappa leather seating, open core wood trim, and suede accents depending on the trim level. The cabin feels genuinely premium, with a driver-focused layout and minimalist aesthetic that doesn't skimp on tech. The center console is redesigned for improved ergonomics, and all trims come with a large 12.3-inch infotainment display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a high-end Bose sound system on select trims. Seating is available for 6, 7, or 8 passengers, and the second-row captain's chairs now offer more support and easier access to the third row. Cargo space is generous, especially with the rear seats folded flat, making it practical for families. Under the hood, the CX-90 offers two powertrain options in 2026. The base model features a 3.3-liter inline-six turbocharged engine with mild hybrid assist, delivering around 280 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. The upgraded version boosts power output to 340 horsepower with premium fuel. For those seeking efficiency, there's also a plug-in hybrid variant combining a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, producing a combined 323 horsepower and offering over 25 miles of electric-only range. All models are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard I-Active all-wheel drive, giving the CX-90 a composed ride and agile handling for a vehicle of its size. In terms of driving experience, the 2026 CX-90 strikes a balance between sporty dynamics and luxury comfort. The ride quality is firm but not harsh, the steering is responsive, and the power delivery feels smooth and refined, especially with the inline-six. Mazda's focus on driver engagement really shines here, making this SUV more enjoyable to drive than many in its segment. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 CX-90 starts around $41,000 for the base Turbo Select trim and can climb past $60,000 for the top-of-the-line Turbo S Premium Plus. The plug-in hybrid model falls in the mid-$50,000 range depending on options. Considering the features, performance, and premium interior, the CX-90 offers strong value for buyers who want luxury without the luxury badge. If you're in the market for a family SUV that delivers style, performance, and refinement, the 2026 Mazda CX-90 is a compelling option. Let us know what you think in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth car reviews.